Hey everyone, welcome to not to my craft room but to my kitchen bench today. Hopefully the shadows and things aren't too difficult for you to see. I'm only at my bench because my phone is just about out of charge and this is the closest PowerPoint for charging, and I actually could not wait to show you guys what just turned up in the mail. Just that, like about 2 seconds ago. This is my Everything is Rosy Medley pack or Medley kit. I like actually what it says here in Chinese. It says Everything is Rosy mini collection. So how about we go that? We'll go mini collection. That sounds lovely. Just start getting my iPad. We'll go mini collection. Okay, just turning the sound off. Don't want to hear my own voice. Anyway, so it arrived today. Oh, hey, Margie. Yes, yours is on charge too, is it? Oh, hi, Sandy. Thanks for joining me. So this is the Everything is Rosy product Medley. I can never say that word right. As you can see, I haven't even taken it out of the plastic yet. Just arrived with the mail person. So I'll get rid of the plastic. A bit excited. Sorry if it's a bit sideways, if I forget. I'm actually working sideways on my kitchen bench, as I said. So let's see how we go. I can't see any comments there. Sorry about that. There we go. I can see the comments now. Okay, so we've got a very nondescript white box here. Let's see what comes out. It will be spectacular, I'm sure. Let's go. Okay, so we'll go straight for the die cuts, for the dies and the stamp set. So this is the Everything is Rosy stamp set. As we can see from the promotion, we've got some beautiful flowers, some leaves, and some lovely sort of fancy design, what do we call it, sentiments there. Sorry, I'll just come down a little bit. I've realised that I'm up the top of that screen there, so there, I'm all a bit excited. So that's really sweet. They are a photopolymer set, so they go nice and clear on your block so you can see what you're doing. So that's really nice to see. Good size too. They're not too big, not too small. There's some small ones there and some nice delicate sized ones as well. So can't wait to see them in action. And going with that, we have the Everything is Rosy, just make sure I'm in the right spot, Everything is Rosy die cuts, thinlits. Okay, so we might have a bit of a look at those as well, see what we've got. I just saw somebody pop up that's joined. Hey Wendy, hey Pamela. Thanks for joining me, guys. It's exciting. I was just having a bit of a sleep in because it's my Friday off. And the lady came to the door, so a bit excited. There we go. I'm going to make you all seasick here, turning things around and around. Okay, so what we've got here are the dies. So they obviously match the flowers from the set and the leaves. These ones here are very fine. I think probably a lot of guys who watch the same videos as me have seen these put through the die machine, through the Big Shot. This one's really fine. It gives a really beautiful fine edge, and I've seen that a lot in the rose gold, which is a feature of this little medley that we've got here going. So that's exciting. Looking forward to that. Giving that a go. Okay. I think this is the bit I've been excited about most. I'm really into the, I love the look of these embellishments. So what have we got? Piece of cardboard. Let's get this out and have a look. So they're all cut to the handy 6x6, or 15 centimetre by 15 centimetre size. So you don't tend to waste a lot, which is great. Okay, we've got the rose gold mirror embellishment. Well, you can see that quite well in the light from my kitchen. They're really nice. So there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, so 60 of those, which I'm sure will be a highlight to any card. And you've got, I think you could actually even, you know, if you were that way inclined, you could use what's left around the edge and in between, you know, cut it with a stamp, with a punch or something. See how that goes. Anyway, we'll give that a go as well. And then we have, I think, 2 sheets, if I remember rightly from the promotional material. 2 sheets of these lovely pre-stamped and pre-cut die cuts. So that's going to be really good. I am actually holding a class with this kit. Not this weekend, the weekend after. So, and one of the ladies who's coming is a very new stamper. So I'm thinking or card maker, so she's going to really enjoy those. So we can layer those up, make a real feature of them. So there's 2 sets of those, and it looks like there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers on each page. So there's a lot of lovely cards there. And then we've got, they're the same, aren't they? Yep. Then we've got 2 sheets of these rose gold frames. So they're really nice as well. You can see them shining in the light. So that'd be nice. So you're all ready to be stamped with some of these lovely sentiments. You can see they're sort of the right size. They're all pre-cut, so you know you're going to have one that fits the sentiment that you like. So that's really good. And there's a couple of rose gold flowers there as well. Really exciting. So 2 sheets of those, and I think there's 2 sheets of this one as well. So this one's got smaller sort of tags and things, and that's sweet as well. Again, there's a little flower in the corner here. That's really nice. There's nothing better than a nice delicate frame for a sentiment on a card. And I think there are 8, from memory, 8 sheets of this beautiful rose gold foil. Again, 6x6 size. So obviously that's going to be turned into frames and backings and, oh, you name it. Let's go. Looking forward to this. I'm actually looking forward to getting ready for my class next week. So if you're in Hobart and you like the look of this this kit and you'd like to pop along to the class, it's on the 26th, which is Sunday. And I'm going to design 4 or 5 cards using this set and walk through them with the people that come to the class. So you'll go away, I'm either doing it as a make and take, in which case you'll pay $30 and walk away with 5 or 6 cards, or if you want to buy the whole set, we're cutting it a bit fine now for next week, but you buy the whole set and you get the workshop for free. So we've got the foil sheets there. This is what, if I could have bought these by themselves, I probably would have. This is the paper. This is the DSP that goes with the set. You can probably see there, each of them has a bit of glimmer, a bit of shine on one side. There goes my dog, doesn't like being ignored. And just a sort of a plain matching paper on the other side. So we've got this beautiful, delicate gold. See there, that's really great. I'm glad I did it here now. That shine really comes up well with my kitchen light. So we've got, I think, 4 of each. No, it keeps going. 5, 6, 8 of each design. Oh, yeah, it must be 8. So there's that one there with the little fine flowers and the pink. Now the pink in this one is Melon Mambo, and the blue is Night of Navy. And I've heard that the lighter pinks are not a different colour, they're actually just different generations of the Melon Mambo. So, you know, first stamp, second stamp, third stamp sort of thing. So that's really great. You can actually make the cards with this set with just the 2 basic colours. So this one here, that's really sweet. That's got a bit more of the gold on it. Keep going back to the end. And the other side is a really fine little pink dot. It's really sweet. I like that one. That looks like the painted love that we used to have. I don't know if anyone remembers that, but that was one of my favourite. I bought a couple of packs of that when they discontinued it. Look at this, is the highlight. This one I think as well is so many highlights. This is like a marble swirl on the Night of Navy with the gold. That's really nice. I've seen that really striking. I mean, you put that on a card by itself. Put that on a card by itself. It's a highlight in itself, isn't it? And the other side of that one is a sort of a peacock dot in the Night of Navy. And then another one I've seen featured on cards, and I think this paper is going to be a good example on how to use every single piece, every single skerrick of the paper. I don't think any of us are going to want to waste any of this. So that's the blue sort of leafy spray paper, and the other side we've got some stripes again in the Melon, Mambo and the Night of Navy. This one, it's got some little rose gold features in it, and the other side is, they're into dots this time, obviously, dots and flowers. So that's really sweet, and this one's nice as well. That's the last design. So that's just the flowers in the gold, which is wonderful. And the other side is a blue stripe, spots and stripes. Okay, so that's the paper. As I said, I probably would have bought that on its own if it was available, but the rest of it's wonderful too. What you'll also get in the pack is some Glimmer Paint. It's a rose gold Glimmer Paint. I have to admit that I haven't used a lot of this, but I'm sure I will learn before next Sunday. So if anyone has any, I've already asked my team for suggestions, but if anyone else has any other suggestions how do I use this to the best effect, please send me a message. I've heard about stamping with it, spraying with it, just putting dobs of it. We'll see. A bit of an experiment coming up this weekend. And the ribbon. There's got to be ribbon. Okay, so we've got a Melon Mambo Ruch ribbon, which is really sweet. Hang on, I'll see if I can bring some of it out. Eek. Eek. Come on. There we go. So I've seen this ruched ribbon before and it bows up really well. And anyone who watches my videos knows that I am challenged in the bow making department. So let's see how I go. Leap of faith there, making a bow. I usually have them pre-made so I don't embarrass myself, as you can see. But anyway, looking at a bow, challenged person like me can make quite a nice bow straight away. That's really nice, that one. I'm starting to love ribbons. I didn't like them very much to start with. Wasn't really a ribbon person growing up, or a bow person, so, but hey, people change. And this one, I think I love this one the most because blue is my favourite colour. This is a Night of Navy with a gold metallic edge, which also the plastic is not going to come off. Excuse me while I try and get in there with the scissors. Come on, come on, come on. Good thing about being in the kitchen, I can go for the knife. Here we go. That might be better than the scissors. Haha, gotcha. Awesome. Isn't that lovely? That's really nice. Actually now, I thought I'd love it, but I think I love it more than I thought I would. That's glorious. Let's see how that bows up. She says. Yep, that's nice too. I like the silver and the gold, the white and the gold versions of that, the silver and the gold that we already have. That's lovely too. Look at that. That's wonderful. Anyway, I think that's the pack. I was a bit excited, as I say, when it turned up. I'm still in my pyjamas. You can see this is my pyjama shirt, my pyjama jumper. So if you ever see this jumper, you know I've just got out of bed or I'm slopping around. So, but when the lady came to the door, I just couldn't wait. I had to open it. So anyway, if Alana and Kayla are watching this movie or this video later, this is what you guys are looking forward to next Sunday. So we'll make something with these wonderful products. As I say, if anyone else wants to join, it's going to be great. So you might be too late to get hold of the whole set, but by next weekend. But you can definitely come along and make some beautiful cards with my set here. Anyway, that's about it. I didn't really mean to go live today, but as I say, I couldn't resist. So thanks for joining me, guys, and thanks for everyone who's watching on the replay, and I'll see you at some stage over the weekend. Thanks, guys. Bye.